I'm gonna get behind the air condition. You see if they'll shoot at me. You can pop them right there. You put that thing on full auto, and I can lay down. But I think I'll get shot. The helmet coming. You alright? Freaking spot over there. I feel there's somebody's waiting in the woods. Glasses are fogged. Come on, get more stuff. Come on, the other side. I got it. Take it. Get him. Watch your left. Right there. Take him out. Take him out. Get in. Watch the wood. Watch the corner. I got a corner. I got a corner. Hey, Dylan. Dylan, watch the wood. Watch out, it's just a little fire. He ain't even reaching the end of the house. That little G&G's not doing much. Coming around. Hey.
I was just sitting there chilling.
Chad's right there, son. There must be a draft going down there.
Hey, contact. Tell him moving right. Love it. I love it.
You love your CXP?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch the wood. Gotcha. Don't you let me get shot. I'm not. I'm the one that's gonna get shot. Let me show them stuff. Yeah, there you go. That was tight. Hey, Dylan, watch your 3 o'clock. I got one behind the tree. One behind you.
Go. Right around the corner.
I hate that. That's my one.
Oh. Well, there goes my grip. Hey, there's a guy in the woods. Yeah. At that point right there, there's a guy. Okay. Oh, I hear it pop up.
Yeah, that's why I ain't get them. I ain't scared.
Changed. Okay.
Switching guns. I think it's switching guns. Watch out.
I swear, someone comes around this corner, that's out of bounds. So I ain't calling it if they're gonna come around that side. Yeah, I don't got the range on it. That's like 200 feet.
The only thing I'm worried about is our 6 o'clock. Is that Cowie?
Not sure. Ooh.
Dylan, get back over here.
Right here. On the corner.
Come on, Dylan, get ready. Hey, Jacob, you got the corner?
I got you.
I'm watching the corner too.
I got you.
Alright.
Come
on with it.
I don't like that buckle right there.
Meet your maker. Hey, you know if they come up the hill, we're gonna get shot.
Wait. No, you got your... What?
Jacob.
What?
Jacob. Go up a little bit. Go up on that hill and look down the hill. I got the corner. I got the corner.
Oh, okay. Oh, contact.
Contact. I hate hot caps. Come on. Loading, cover. Oh. Jam. I hate that. They're still on the point. They're just peeking around. Gotcha. Hey, come here. You see these guys right here? They're here. Can you see in between these two last posts? See his head out.
I got him.
Nice. Up, another one.
That was Chad. Get him, David. Chad is out. I was about to say, it was shooting web because the humidity makes the booking swell.
Yep.
Especially when it hurt.
Comes from heavy. A little ICS.
That went right in his face. They ran. You want to move into the woods now? There's a slight wind that's making it hop right just about an inch. Up, corner. I think I hit him if it didn't hit. If that didn't hit him, I'm pretty sure he crapped on himself because he went like that.
Go on, Dylan.
Dylan. Stay down, don't go around the corner.
Glasses are fogging real bad.
They saw me coming in.
Are they behind that berm? Yep. Mitch. See?
They're running when they see me coming around. Where did it get you? Huh? Where did it hit you? On the arm. Was that you? Yeah. Good shot, man. Thank you.
Go around.
Nice.
Oh, contact, bottom of the hill. Bottom of the hill, behind this big oak tree right here. See him? Walking left.
Yes, sir.
Water. Oh, bottom of the hill. They're right there. Are there any more? Good gracious. Are there any more down there on that point? Really? I was about to say I'll get on that corner and just take whoever's out around it. That's how I'll light his butt up.
Unless Dylan wants to do it.
No, I'm just worried about that point because they probably got. I think that's common down there on that point, that M14. You know that didn't even reach the hill.
No.
Ooh, battery's getting low.
I look like a guy. I got 3.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Look at Matt. Shotgun.
Ninja.
Look at that.
Battery's on. Watch that point. Contact, contact, contact. Ooh, that one actually came in.
Back up. Back behind 3.